Symptoms of a bad or loose alternator belt. Essentially a power generator, the automobile alternator keeps the battery charged and enables it to power the important electrical parts of the car continuously. Without this, the battery would fast drain because it wouldn't have enough power to continuously power all of the components. By means of brackets and bolts, the alternator is fastened to the engine. It is driven by a belt and propelled by the crankshaft mechanism. To improve the power delivered, these ribbed belts are made to keep as much contact with the pulleys as possible. These devices will stop functioning if the belt becomes damaged, which could cause the car's power system to malfunction. Well, as you already know, we'll be looking at the most common symptoms you have a bad or loose alternator belt in this video. In addition, we'll cover the cost of replacing this belt. So, without further ado, let's get started. 1. The lights in the automobile begin to flitter or seem dimmer than usual. This can indicate problems with the alternator or the battery. Before the lights eventually quit operating owing to a lack of power, the flickering might last for a time. 2. The battery warning light illuminates. Although it's crucial to look into many potential causes, this ought to be one of the first significant warning indicators. 3. The engine compartment is emitting a loud chirping or squealing sound. An increase in friction with the pulley parts is what's causing these noises. 4. The car's battery is dead. If the problem is serious, the battery won't be able to keep a charge and might even expire soon after the car has started. Before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. That will show your support and encourage us to keep creating more helpful content like this. Once you've done that, let's continue. So how much does the alternator belt replacement cost? Depending on the car model, replacing an alternator belt might cost anywhere from $50 to $300. It costs $20 to $100 to replace an alternator belt, and labor might run $30 to $200. Since the alternator belt is frequently relatively affordable, you can save money if you know how to change and tighten it on your own. And there you have it, folks, the telltale symptoms of a bad or loose alternator belt and the cost of replacing it. When you start to notice one or more of these symptoms, it is crucial that you address them right away. This will prevent any possibility of you getting stranded on the road. If this video has been helpful, why don't you give it a like, and also consider subscribing to our channel for more important tips like this. Until next time, drive safe.